Ever pondered why the grass always seems greener on the other side? Why, no matter how hard you strive, someone always appears to have it better? These questions, my friends, stir up a deep philosophical debate on self-worth and the perils of comparing oneself to others. Imagine a world where the measure of your worth isn't determined by comparing yourself to others, but by recognizing your unique strengths and accomplishments. Sounds liberating, doesn't it? Well, this world exists. It's simply a matter of shifting perspective. An inferiority complex is a psychological state where one feels an overwhelming sense of inadequacy, often born from constant comparison to others. This can lead to low self-esteem, insecurity, and anxiety. It's a tough battle, but with the right strategies, it's one you can overcome. The first step in this journey is to acknowledge that everyone has their strengths and weaknesses. It's a universal truth. However, the danger lies in comparing oneself to others. This habit can be a fuel to the fire of an inferiority complex. Instead, shift the focus onto your own strengths and accomplishments. Recognize what you're good at, appreciate what you've achieved. This simple act can boost your self-esteem and help combat feelings of inadequacy. Challenge the negative thoughts and beliefs that feed an inferiority complex. It's not an easy task, it takes time and practice. But remember, the idea is not to completely eliminate these thoughts, but rather to manage them. Another strategy is to set personal goals. These should be achievable and meaningful to you. Achieving these goals will provide a sense of accomplishment and further boost your self-esteem. Lastly, seek professional help when needed. There's no shame in reaching out. Help is always available. You don't have to face this battle alone. In summary, dealing with an inferiority complex involves recognizing personal strengths, challenging negative thoughts, setting personal goals, and seeking professional help when needed. Remember, it's not about being better than others, but about being the best version of yourself. It's time to embrace your worth, celebrate your accomplishments, and embark on the journey of self-love and acceptance. The grass is green where you water it, so start watering your side today. And remember, when you need a helping hand, don't hesitate to reach out. You're not meant to be alone in this journey. Contact New Life Counseling for a complimentary 15-minute meet and greet. Call 403-690-8617. It's time to take the first step towards overcoming your inferiority complex and begin walking in new life. You are worth it.